Welcome to Homework Lib.
So here we can equate the expression for energy in terms of the inductance and current, and also in terms of the charge and the capacitance. And then we can solve for Q from here. So half Li squared is the expression for energy. Also, we can write that in terms of Q squared by 2C. Now, if we solve for the equation, we can get rid of the 2's on both sides. And then when we solve for Q, we see that Q is equal to I square root of L times C. Now, if we use the given numbers, we see that I is 0.75 ampere, L is 0.08 Henry, and the capacitance is 1.25 times 10 to the power negative 9 farad. So from here, the charge is 7.5 times 10 to the power negative 6 coulomb. So that's part A. In part B, we have to find out the frequency, and we know that frequency for an LC circuit is 1 over square root of L times C. Now again, using the given numbers, we know that L is 0.08 Henry times C, which is 1.25 times 10 to the power negative 9 farad. Make sure I did that correct here. Yeah. And then if we solve for this, we see we get 1 times 10 to the power 5 radians per second. So in terms of hertz, frequency is omega by 2 pi, which is 1.59 times 10 to the power 4 hertz. Now, in part C, we have to find out the energy, which is U equals to half of L times I squared. So first we can solve for I, and then we can get the energy. So Q, when small q is equal to big Q at t equals to 0, which means that phi is equal to 0. So I becomes negative omega Q sine omega t. So here I is equal to negative 1 times 10 to the power 5 times Q, which is 7.5 times 10 to the power negative 6 coulomb, sine omega t, which is 1 times 10 to the power 5 times 2.5 times 10 to the power negative 3. So combining this, we get 0.7279 ampere. So just to write the units, this one is radians per second, this one is radians per second as well, and time is in second unit. So now we know I, so we can solve for Ui now, which is half of 0.08 Henry, which is L, times 0.7279 ampere, and then we press square here, which is 0.0212 joule. All right, thanks for watching.